I followed one of it, but he's throwing too many rocks up at me. So get another shot of it. I don't know if this is it or what. Where am I at? Where is it? I think it's over here. Now where is it at? Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, there it is. I missed it. And go around here just to go up there slow, get a good view of it maybe. I don't even know where I'm going. The sun's in my eyes. This is hilarious. Alright, I'll start at the very bottom, the slowest. Pretty eight. You're going to be hard on the P175 and need a little more power. Of course, it doesn't look steep, and it really isn't, but I gotta watch my levers here. Not sure where I'm going here. Just going real slow. Get a good view of it. Looks like second's too low and third's too high. I think I'm in fourth, actually. Oh, where am I at? I missed something? Alright. I think I'm in fourth gear. Yeah, I'm in fourth. Yeah. Yeah. Alright.